In this video, I'm going to show you how with just one device you can use any Bluetooth headphone with your Xbox. But first, let me show my wife. Saj, check this out.
Wow, how'd you do that?
You'll just have to watch the YouTube video. So with just this, a $25 purchase, we can listen to our AirPods with our Xbox controller. Granted, it's probably not going to allow you to talk to people, but this is more designed to, be able to play quietly. If you're a pro gamer, you're probably not going to be doing this anyways, because you're going to want to have your Turtle Beaches or what have you. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some double-sided tape here and I'm sticking it to the bottom of my Xbox controller, and then I'm plugging it into the headphone jack right here. Granted, the double-sided tape is kind of old, so it's probably not going to work too well. All right, so that's the point. That way you don't have to hold it. We're going to settings, go up to our audio. So turn it on real quick. Press and hold, it's going to blink. All right, so now we got it connected. You can take it on and off easily. Oh, nice. Speaking of taking things on and off easily, you just Velcro this or double-sided tape it. All right, cool. Yeah, it's just working now. So I can turn the volume all the way down on here. Yep, I can hear everything. It's pretty sweet. Put the other one in. So sometimes you'll have an issue where, because these are independently synced and you can use one at a time, if you don't take them both out, put them both in your ear, when you try to take the second one out later and put it in your ear, it won't work. So all you have to do is simply put them back inside the case and then it will work. So now I can literally use all of this, which is pretty sweet. It's working inside my headphones. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I'll try it real quick anyway. It's gonna be hard to hear, but you get the point. That's pretty sweet. So that's another way of doing it. Like I said, Velcro or double-sided tape will work for this, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching.
Babe, where'd you put the show back on?
You don't have to be rude.
You don't have to. We're watching something.
Hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. Bye now.